Open eber-admin panel. Click Installation Settings. Twilio is an SMS gateway. If you want system to send SMS, then you must sign up with Twilio and get your SID. Twilio Auth token is used to authenticate your Twilio app. Twilio provides a number from which your SMS will be sent. Here, enter your Twilio account call URL. Stripe is the default payment gateway. Stripe processes payment from customers and delivers it to admin. Secret key is used to identify your Stripe account. You can grab the test and live API keys for your account under your account and API keys. Publishable key is used to identify your Stripe account. The publishable key is used to generate credit card tokens and should be included with the HTML form. Enter email address of your domain which will be used to send email. Enter your password. GCM key is used for push notification in user app. GCM key is used for push notification in provider app. Google Places API is required to draw path in user app to get nearby places in fair estimation and autocomplete suggestion for source and destination address. Google Places API is required to draw path in provider app. Google Places API is required to draw path in user app to get nearby places in fair estimation and autocomplete suggestion for source and destination address. Google Places API is required to draw path in provider app. Google Places API is required in dispatcher panel to autocomplete suggestions of places. It is also used in map view of admin panel for autocomplete results. For road path draw, Google API key is used in user and driver app. Enter Firebase API key to use for sending push notifications. Firebase Auth domain is used to authenticate your users and give permission to read and write. Enter Firebase database URL to store data. Project ID is a unique identifier for a project. Firebase storage bucket is used to store your files and is accessible with Google Cloud. Enter Firebase Messaging Center ID to send notification messages via our own application. Enter iOS client app URL. It is used in the landing page. Enter iOS driver app URL. It is used in the landing page. Enter Android client app URL. It is used in the landing page. Enter Android driver app URL. It is used in the landing page. Enter Android user application version. Enter Android provider application version. Enter iOS user application version. Enter iOS provider application version. Enter the name of admin panel. Enter the name of partner panel. Enter the name of dispatcher panel. Enter name of the hotel panel here.